you know, me that try like a thing right here. I'm gonna try to adjust right there, so cause the thing is driving me crazy. Like, I did not know this was gonna take so much time.
Lazy and broke. Now we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I don't feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause I think, but I don't.
Hey my peeps, what's up? Welcome back to another video. It's a girl show. So guys, alright, if you're new over here, please I'm asking you to make sure that you subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification button and all. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Okay, so guys, I've been wanting to do this video from ever since, but it's like if I'm but I may say, how the hell am I gonna do this? Like, me just alright, it was just confusing to me, because you know me that say how am I gonna do this whole thing and stuff. So literally I do my intro after I do the video, as you can see in the background. So I'm going to put the LED strips light in my room. Alright, so make sure y'all watch the full video, and as usual, go and big up on yourself. Remember to connect with me on my socials at @Rish_Shella. Yeah, so without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Come from there, so. Take away pen, friends. Alright guys, so here what. Today I'm gonna try to see if we can set up this. I don't have a clue. I think we're supposed to have 4 of them here. Anyway guys, this is one of the remote. So you have the part where you connect to this here. I'm gonna try and look to see if I find it, and then we get back to it again. So the other what, 2? I showed them here. Okay, so then there are the other 2 of them. Oh, so they look like 2 big. What's up? So also them are the big one and them are the small one then. So the remote and then the card them. So I think I'm gonna just use them here. So I'm gonna put back the small one in. I think I'm gonna use the small one in. So I don't know how I'm gonna be doing this, because here what, me short, I don't have a ladder. So pull out that one here first. So this is the thing now with these. So you have the stick part where you peel off. Then I know you have the stick part. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Like, I wonder if I start from that angle and then. I wonder if I start from the angle and then come over, come round and round. But I want this over the bed. Alright guys, so this is how this is looking so far. Guys, my tell you, this backside is time consuming, yo. Time consuming. But anyway, oh Lord, I'm gonna come up, right up, and then I'm gonna cross and cross and cross and cross. So let's soon get back to it. We're tired already, guys.
You're too far away. Make no mistake. I think you should stay. You'll get every little bit. You ain't never seen a trip like this. Heaven at your fingertips. Don't you let a minute slip. Just say you care.
Alright guys, here was for some reason this one I don't know why it's so dull, and is that the remote not function? The remote not functioning, I don't know why, but you know me that try a little thing right here. Maybe I'm gonna try to adjust right there, so cause the thing is driving me crazy. Like I did not know this was gonna take so much time to do, but hello. So if you go there so and go around, me stress out, me tired, me can't bother to do that. I swear to God, me can't bother to do that. So I'm not thinking I'm gonna pull the other one. I think it's just gonna be this. Yeah, so I'm gonna just try to adjust this here, and then oh Lord, and then me try to arrange by the whole place. Cause I have to pull up the whole place.
Keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep. While we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Well, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, 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 slide.
Mama.
Mama. Yes, Zoe? Hmm? Hmm?
Don't take it personally, I'm surprised. I said, skirt on niggas, skirt up on niggas, acting like we wasn't more than.
So thank you all so much for watching the video. Please remember to leave a like on the video, drop a comment down below, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye.
This bitch, okay. He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like, okay. I used to be
High
a
volume,
man, but
high
now I'm a
volume,
bitch,
high volume.
okay. I'm pretty, then I'm motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She think that she